Hello, and welcome to another video by ENGINTEL, the languages expert. Today we're exploring the world of basic banking with this interactive guide to your financial future. Let's dive in. First question. Which card lets you buy now and pay later? Is it a credit card or is it a debit card? Think about it. That's right. The credit card allows you to make purchases on credit, meaning you pay later with interest. So if you are interested in this product, you may ask your bank consultant, what are the interest rates and fees associated? Good. Now, which card lets you only spend the money you already have? Is it a credit card or is it a debit card? I think you already have an idea, right? That's correct. The debit card lets you spend the money you already have because it's linked directly to your bank account. So if you want to use the service, you may ask, what fees are associated with using my debit card, especially for international transactions? Perfect. Now, what about the types of accounts? Let's check your knowledge. First question. Which account is best for daily transactions such as paying bills and making deposits? Think about it. Exactly. The checking account is ideal for everyday financial activities. So if you're considering this account, you may ask, what are the fees for transactions and is there a minimum balance requirement? Let's continue. Which account is designed for saving money and earning interest? What's your decision? Perfect! The savings account helps you grow your money with interest. So, if you want to acquire this account, you may ask your bank consultant, what is the interest rate on this account and are there any withdrawal restrictions? You're doing so great! Let's continue. Which account is similar to a checking account but has fewer fees? Think about it. Yes, the Vista account is a great low-fee option. If you're considering this account, you may ask, what are the conditions to avoid fees with a Vista account? Okay, let's have our final question. Which type of account allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds? Think about it. Great job. Investment accounts are designed for growing your wealth. If you're interested in this type of account, you may ask your bank consultant, what are the risks and potential returns of investment options you offer? Well done! You have just unlocked the basics of banking in a fun and interactive way. In ENGINTEL, the languages expert, we believe in making learning English and essential life skills both engaging and practical. So don't stop here. Like, follow, and subscribe for more, and visit our webpage to learn more about our courses. Have a great one!